Hello guys, this is Tim at Bigtoolrack. Just wanted to show you the new LED rechargeable light that we're offering. It is on the Bigtoolrack now. It will stick to any metal surface. I will turn it on. There's a charging port back here and also a button to turn it on. It lasts for 4 hours, fully charged, and it is very bright. Said it's portable, you can move it around anywhere. It's a great cargo light. Could be a reverse light. It'll last up to 4 hours. And we'll put it's got a safety mode as well. So if you hit this button one more time, it'll go into a lower beam. If you hit it again, it goes into a flashing orange mode, which is nice to give you visibility. But check it out at bigtoolrack.com. It's item number BTR LED, and you can put it on the Bigtoolrack or even stick it to any metal surface. It's a very handy light. And thank you for watching. Check us out at bigtoolrack.com.